Welcome to 321 Photoshop. I'm Julianne Cost. Here are several tips for working with type in Photoshop. To quickly select a type layer in a document, Command-click on Mac or right-click on the text in the image area and select the type layer from the context-sensitive menu. Or set the filter on the Layers panel to Name and start typing in the name of the layer. This is an excellent way to find layers that might not be visible. To quickly view all of the type layers in a document, set the filter in the Layers panel to Kind and click on the T icon. To change attributes for multiple type layers without having to swap to the Type tool, select the layers in the Layers panel and use the Properties panel to make quick changes. To apply these same character attributes, such as fonts and styles, leading and tracking and color, across layers as well as across documents, first save them to the Libraries panel as a character style, then select another layer and apply the style with a single click. Most professional fonts have alternate characters called glyphs. In a type layer, highlight the character and then use the on-canvas controls to preview and then double-click to apply an alternate character. For more control, we can use the Glyphs panel. I'll make this layer visible and double-click to select the character, then choose the font, filter so that I'm only looking at the ornaments, and double-click in order to apply it. One last tip, when creating a new type layer that's close to another type layer, shift-click with the Type tool to prevent Photoshop from auto-selecting any nearby text layers. I'll cancel that. My name's Julianne Cost. Thanks for watching.